how to create blockchain.com account. I'm back with a new video. In this episode, I'll be showing you how you can create blockchain.com account. So in order to create a blockchain.com account, you have to first thing that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and open up a browser. You can use any web browser, whichever is convenient for you, and on the web address bar type in blockchain.com, and that's going to directly take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, go ahead and tap on the sign up button located in the top right hand side corner. After you click on it, it's going to directly take you to the creation field. So here you have to provide in the following information, that is your email address, create a password. For the confirmation of your password, you need to type in twice, and you have to enter in the country of your residence. If you have any referral code, that you can enter it and mark on the terms and condition and click on continue button. As you're done providing the information, it's going to ask you to verify the email. So for that, a verification code is going to be sent through the registered emails, and go ahead and open up your email and confirm the verification code. After you're done confirming the verification, just go ahead and tap on yes, I confirm, this is my email address. And the next page, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to indicate that you've successfully created your blockchain account. So in this way, you can create your blockchain account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.